Hey folks, it's Lance from JR Jeep. Hope you're all doing well. For many of you like me here, you're probably suffering a little bit of a heat wave. I am on the tail end of my vacation and actually going to do some quick installs today. And a couple of those things are going to include basically a new gas cap cover, which I'll show you in a moment. And then we're going to go on to the next thing. So the gas cap cover I bought was actually by somebody that many of you will probably have seen on Instagram if you follow on there. But Christian Ramirez Designs, he's a one-man shop, but I've seen so many things he's done online in relation to accentuations on your Jeep to modify it to your personal wants or needs. And that goes from basically armor, your wheel well covers, gas caps like I'm talking about here. He's really good to work with. I found basically give him an idea what you're looking for. He'll shoot you back some ideas of colors and how that work in conjunction to what you have, and then he'll put it in process. Process didn't take too long, about 3 weeks from start when I said go ahead with the design to when he sent it out. And it took about a week to get here. Not bad. So let's get to it. So, of course, here's our standard Jeep gas cap cover. Now, I know many, they don't even have the cover on it. Some of it's just a recessed hub. Mine so happens to have that cover on it. We're replacing that whole unit. So, picked up from Christian. It's basically in here. Goes with the theme of my Jeep, which is dangerous type, but which is based off of Jessica Rabbit. So there you have it. That is the new cover that's going on here. It's actually got one of his cards in here. Oh, I didn't even know I included this. So I did include another rubber gasket instead of having used the old one. Perfect. That's an added bonus. I really like the design. It looks really cool. It's going to go really well with the color of my Jeep. So let's get it on. Okay, so let's see about getting those clips off. That came out pretty easy. And one thing you might note, I'm so glad I did that, but this tour is very dry. So it's probably good that we're replacing that gasket anyway. So we'll put this off to the side. Still handy to have it as a backup. Okay, important thing, there is one hole marking here. So that's what we're going to use to line up. But first I'm going to put the gasket on the new gas cap. hooking. I just want to double check again. I think okay, it's pretty dang easy. Just got one part started. That went in like less than 5 seconds. So next step, we're going to mount it. Now you see there's that pin there. That's going to go into that hole I showed you prior. Take a rag and use some cleaner. Clean it up really quick before I put the new one on. Okay, so now it's time to put it on. Again, we have the gasket on there, everything, so that's all set to go. I'll have to fit over this a little bit. And that just popped into place like lickety-split. Wow, that was super easy. And there's our new door. That is looking really slick. Christian, thank you again. Really like the design. So let's put the gas cap back on there. Put the gas cap back on there, attach the clip. And there you have it. Brand new gas cap, custom designed by Christian Ramirez Designs. Thank you so much, Christian. Really like the design. It really has a nice touch to dangerous type. It accentuates its personality a bit. So I really appreciate that. I will put a link to Christian's website and contact info in the description below, so you can reach out to him if there's something you'd like to have him put together for you. I think you'd find it really nice. Until next time, folks, I am trying to get to 500 subscribers. If you like this video, please consider giving a thumbs up and subscribing, and drop a comment if you liked it. Really like to hear from you if you like this kind of content. If there's other content you'd like to see, definitely I'll try to accommodate if at all possible. And until next time, happy trails and enjoy Jeeping.